America, a nation built on dreams, finds a special kinship with the island rhythms of Jamaica, creating a unique cultural fusion that is both vibrant and enduring. From the bustling streets of New York City to the sun-soaked beaches of California, Jamaican culture has woven itself into the very fabric of American life, enriching it in countless ways. It's a vibrant blend of music, food, and spirit that's impossible to ignore, captivating hearts and minds across the nation. But this popularity isn't just a passing trend. It's rooted in a shared history and a mutual appreciation for resilience, creativity, and joy, which have always been at the core of both cultures. The Jamaican influence isn't confined to one specific aspect of American culture. It permeates everything, from art and fashion to language and lifestyle. You hear it in the pulsating beats of reggae and dancehall music, which have become staples in the American music scene. See it in the colorful costumes of Caribbean carnivals, which bring a burst of energy and color to American streets, and taste it in the spicy kick of jerk chicken, a dish that has found a special place in the hearts of food lovers. This widespread appeal speaks to the universality of the Jamaican spirit, a spirit that embraces individuality, celebrates community, and never backs down from a challenge, no matter how daunting. But to truly understand why Jamaicans are so popular in America, we need to go beyond the surface and delve into the heart of their story, exploring the deep connections that bind these two cultures. It's a story that begins long before the first reggae song hit the airwaves or the first Jamaican athlete broke a world record, stretching back through generations of shared experiences. It's a story of perseverance, innovation, and an unwavering belief in the power of one's voice, a narrative that continues to inspire and uplift. A story that resonates deeply with the American spirit, highlighting the enduring bond between these two vibrant cultures. The Jamaican presence in America isn't a recent phenomenon. It's a narrative that stretches back centuries, rich with stories of resilience and cultural exchange. As early as the 17th century, Caribbean people, including Jamaicans, began arriving on American shores, seeking new horizons and opportunities. They came seeking opportunity, fleeing hardship, and carrying with them the rich cultural heritage of their island home, a heritage that would soon blend with the American tapestry. Their arrival, though often overlooked in history books, marked the beginning of a lasting legacy, one that would influence generations to come. These early settlers, despite facing immense challenges, played a crucial role in shaping the American landscape, both physically and culturally. They toiled in fields, built communities, and contributed to the cultural melting pot that would define the nation, leaving an indelible mark on its development. Their presence, often silent but always significant, laid the groundwork for the deep-rooted connection between Jamaica and America that we see today, a connection built on shared experiences and mutual respect. The ties between the two nations deepened further in the 20th century, with large-scale Jamaican migration to the United States, bringing new waves of cultural influence. Driven by economic hardship and political unrest in their homeland, Jamaicans sought new beginnings and opportunities in the land of promise, hoping for a better future. They brought with them their vibrant culture, their strong work ethic, and their unwavering determination to succeed, enriching the American cultural landscape. This wave of migration had a profound impact on American society, influencing everything from music to cuisine. Jamaicans, with their unique blend of Caribbean and British influences, enriched the cultural fabric of their adopted home, creating a dynamic and diverse community. They established communities, started businesses, and shared their traditions, infusing American life with the infectious energy and warmth of Jamaican culture, a legacy that continues to thrive today. No exploration of Jamaican influence in America would be complete without acknowledging the remarkable individuals who became cultural ambassadors, bridging the gap between nations and inspiring generations with their extraordinary talent and visionary leadership. These icons, with their roots firmly planted in Jamaican soil, rose to prominence on the global stage, captivating hearts and minds with their artistry, activism, and unwavering pursuit of justice and equality. Among them stands Marcus Garvey, a towering figure of the Pan-African movement and a beacon of hope for many. Born in Jamaica, Garvey's powerful message of Black empowerment and self-determination resonated deeply with African Americans struggling for equality in the early 20th century. His powerful speeches and unwavering advocacy for Black liberation ignited a firestorm of activism, leaving an indelible mark on the American civil rights landscape and inspiring countless others. Then there's Harry Belafonte, the Jamaican-American singer, actor, and activist, who used his platform to champion social justice and celebrate Caribbean culture in all its richness. Belafonte's velvety voice and magnetic stage presence captivated audiences worldwide, while his unwavering commitment to civil rights activism made him a powerful voice for change during the tumultuous 1960s, a period marked by significant social upheaval. He used his music to bridge cultural divides, popularizing Caribbean rhythms and infusing American folk music with the soulful sounds of his rich heritage. These pioneers, along with countless others, paved the way for future generations of Jamaican artists, athletes, and thinkers to make their mark on American society and beyond. Their stories serve as a testament to the power of cultural exchange and the enduring influence of Jamaican talent on the global stage, inspiring new generations to continue this legacy of excellence and impact. Flavor and flair, a cultural tapestry. Jamaicans have made significant strides in the political landscape of America. Their influence can be seen in the corridors of power, where they have championed causes that resonate with the community. From local government to national leadership, their impact is undeniable. With a unique perspective shaped by their heritage, they bring a fresh and dynamic approach to governance. Jamaican athletes have left an indelible mark on the world of sports. Their speed, agility, and determination are legendary, making them household names globally. And it's not just sports. Jamaican artists have taken the entertainment industry by storm, captivating audiences with their music, dance, and storytelling. Their contributions have enriched the cultural tapestry of America, making it more vibrant and diverse. The story of Jamaicans in America is one of resilience and rhythm. Through challenges and triumphs, they have maintained a strong sense of identity and community. Their music, with its infectious beats and soulful lyrics, speaks to their enduring spirit and cultural pride. This legacy of resilience and rhythm continues to inspire and uplift, reminding us of the power of perseverance and creativity. As we reflect on the remarkable journey of Jamaicans in America, it's clear that their contributions have been profound and far-reaching. They have enriched our society in countless ways, and their legacy continues to grow. Let's celebrate their achievements and support their ongoing efforts to make a positive impact. Whether through community engagement, cultural appreciation, or simply sharing their stories, we all have a role to play. So let's come together and honor the vibrant spirit of Jamaicans in America.